Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you the D Major Pentatonic Open Scale. Really great scale to play, and let me break this scale down for you. First thing is, I'm going to play that open D on the 4th string. And then, with the index finger, the 2nd fret of the 4th string, I'll play that note, that E. And then with my ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, I'll play that F sharp. And then on the 3rd string, with my index finger on the 2nd fret, I'll play that A. Then on the 2nd string, I'll play that open B. Then on the 2nd string, with my middle finger on the 3rd fret, I'll play that D. Then on the 1st string, I'll play that open E. Then with my index finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, I'll play that F sharp. Then with my little finger on the 1st string, 5th fret, I'll play that A. Then I'm going to slide my hand up to the 1st string, 7th fret, with my index finger, and I'm going to play that B. Then with my little finger on the 1st string, 10th fret, I'll play that D. So real slowly, this is what it looks like and sounds like. Again. Then this time I'll send and descend. Hey, again, Mr. G. Thanks for watching this video on the D Major Pentatonic Open Scale. Great scale to play, great scale to learn. Keep on jamming.